Hello everyone, welcome to CodeBattleZone. Today I'm going to explain the custom fields in GoHighLevel. What are the custom fields and how we can manage the custom fields. So let's start the battle. I already showed you in the form builder by creating some custom field and use them in the form. So let's show you again by going to the form. You can check out my playlist regarding the form builder where I have explained everything step by step from beginner to advanced, how you can create form and how you can manage fields and how you can create custom fields and using the form. So let's see the custom fields. Here are many custom fields created. Here you can see the contact, general info, additional info, form, contact form. So all are actually the folder, and when we have created the field we group them under the folder. That's why they are looking like this way. Actually folder is very required for the custom fields. We must categorize them. This is, you can keep this as required. So here custom fields you cannot manage directly from the form interface or some other interface. To manage the custom fields we need to go first dashboard, on the dashboard, then settings. Under settings you will find the custom fields. Just above the custom values you will find the custom fields. Here the custom fields, you can see here the custom field listed. Folders, see the folders that I just mentioned you on the form screen. They are the folders. Here you will get the option to edit the custom fields. See, another important thing is you cannot edit or delete any predefined fields that provided by the GoHighLevel, like business name, street address, city. They all are inbuilt field. GoHighLevel allows us to just view the all the fields under contact object, any other object, opportunity object in the same platform under custom fields. But you can edit the actual custom field that we have created and not by default in the GoHighLevel. So let's go to the folder, make it like, if you go to the contact, maybe we have created many custom fields, like age is not the default field. Here we can edit the age. See, edit option is enabled, but if we want to edit the phone number, edit and delete is disabled. So I hope you understood that which field you can edit and which are not. So let's edit the gender, edit. See what we can edit right now. We cannot change the object that we have already selected while creating the field. We cannot change the object, and we cannot edit the group on the edit screen, but we move the field from one group to another group. When you will click on this pin, here will option to move, and you can move from one folder to another folder, like it is currently on the contact not contact, it is under, yes, it is under the contact folder. Folder and object is different, that is very important, you need to know. But I will explain the folder and objects in another video. Let's move to the edit field. Here if we add others and save, it will be affected on the each platform wherever we use the custom field gender. So this way we can manage the custom fields from this screen. This is very simple. And let's see where, if you want to see the form again, let's see if we have ever used the gender or not. Here we have not used the gender, but we can use the gender. See, male, female, others. It's now see that it's working perfectly. We just added others as a new option. Let's remove. So I wish you guys have understood the use of custom fields and where you can manage the custom fields. I just explained regarding using the form actually, but it can be used in many platforms like surveys. Surveys is also like form. So in the surveys you can use the custom fields. In the opportunities, there is opportunities. In the opportunities you can custom fields. In other platforms, automation or messaging from the GoHighLevel, you can use the custom fields. So there are many places that uses the custom fields. I will come with some new videos for each module like opportunity, surveys, then I'll explain better on them. So that's all with the custom fields. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you found the video is helpful, and obviously don't forget to subscribe the channel. It will really support me to create more interesting videos for you. So see you on the next battle. Bye bye.